Haley, today, watching you, my baby girl, looking glowing and radiant and stepping into this new chapter in your life, it's a very emotional experience for me as your father. And it's right up there with the first time I ever held you as a newborn baby. You've given your mother and me so many things to be proud of and happy about for you over the last 25 years. But I've never been prouder or happier than I am of you today and seeing the person that you've become, that you've grown to be. And everybody, as stunning as Haley looks today, those of us that really know her true beauty is from within, inside. Right? And Ty, on behalf of Shauna and me and the rest of our family, we are so happy to have you as part of our family, to have us as your son-in-law. And already in the last 4 or 5 years, Ty, he's spent a lot of time with us. He's come down for Christmas. We've seen him on a lot of trips to Seattle. He's even gone with us back to Oklahoma. And even with all that quality time with the Herberts, he still proposed to her. Let's wish them a lifetime of love and happiness. Cheers.
Well, you're my little sister. There have been countless times when it feels like you're the older and wiser one. I've always looked up to you in more ways than you might even realize. You're so hardworking, intelligent, pragmatic, and loving. You're the best sister and friend that anyone could ask for. But I think the thing I admire the most about you, Haley, is how secure you are in your values and who you are. You don't let what others are doing or saying ever make you stray from the path that you've chosen for yourself. And as much as I love talking about my sister, there's someone else here who needs some attention, and that's Ty, who deserves a lot of attention. It's been such a pleasure getting to know you over the last few years. We've had so much fun together on family trips and during the holidays. You're such a great compliment to Haley. You bring out a fun and adventurous side to her, and I can see how happy you make her. You fit right into the Herbert family's chaotic energy. I think it's safe to say that you passed the test. Haley and Ty, you two make such a handsome and tall couple. I wish you a lifetime of love, laughter, and adventure together. Here's to your wonderful marriage and all the times and wonderful moments ahead to come. Cheers to the happy couple. I love you both so much. Cheers.
young people preparing to enter marriage, and for all whom the Lord is calling to another state in life, let us pray to the Lord.
My dear brothers and sisters, it is my great honor and joy to introduce to you this beautiful couple, Mr. and Mrs. Spink.
Yeah.
Okay, so Ty, you make me so proud. You've just grown into such a wonderful person. How hard you work, you've accomplished so much in the last few years. It's just been incredible. You're so kind. Like, there's so many people here that are just impacted by how kind and how nice you are too. I'm confident because of just your personality and how kind you are and how hard you work that you'll be a great husband and father. Haley already has all those qualities already. So keep an eye on him. Make sure he lives up to our expectations, will you? Okay? All right. Okay.
During COVID, Haley would act as my mother, and Ty would act as my father. They would do the cooking, and after the dinners, as the only child, I would be washing the dishes alone. Meanwhile, Ty and Haley would be snuggling right in front of me watching Netflix. When Ty and Haley went on their first camping trip, being new to camping, Haley did not bring a sleeping bag. And Ty had only brought one for himself. So being the chivalrous man that he is, he offered her some blankets that he had in the back of his trunk. In the morning, when he asked her why she didn't sleep well, she didn't have a great response. Now, for reasons unknown to me, Haley cared enough about my brother to stay with him through his countless mistakes. It's this kind of, and during a freezing night, while your boyfriend sleeps peacefully in his sleeping bag, type of perseverance that I see in their relationship. So, here's to Ty and Haley. Here's to an enduring marriage and no more cold nights.